Hi everyone, today I'm in Ubud area. Ubud is one of our most popular tourist spot on the island that has been famous since 1930s. It is known to have many talented artists and the center of culture and art in Bali. You'll find a lot of local arts, souvenirs, home decor along the streets. Life of Bali. Now we're in coffee plantation named Kumulilir, so I'm gonna bring you guys to take a look around. So follow me around.
Ada vouchernya, itu per orangnya 50.000 sudah termasuk 3 pilihan paket.
Okay, now we're walking into the place. It has been raining a lot this morning while we're on the way to the place. It's very quiet here since it's also during pandemic time. The luwak animal itself. Luwak is believed for the prime quality coffee beans to consume. The fruit is fermented in the digestive tract and the skin is completely digested while the seeds remain intact and come out with the feces.
This coffee tree, this kind of Robusta coffee. The Robusta is the one type of coffee that we use in this place because the taste not too bitter like a Robusta. Also the low caffeine.
So the Robusta here is different than the other place?
Yeah.
Okay. The levels of caffeine and protein in Luwak coffee beans are slightly lower than the regular coffee. Meanwhile, the fat content in this most expensive coffee is slightly higher than coffee in general. Both of these results apply to Arabica and Robusta beans, where Arabica beans are lower in caffeine than Robusta. Now we're going to the kitchen. And this is their traditional kitchen, and here, as you can see, is the firewood, plow, baskets, rice, and other kinds of local farms. Okay, that is the luwak poop.
The luwak poop, the cat
Okay.
cleaner. This is the one that we use for coffee.
Alright.
So normally, when they eat the coffee, they just swallow it, and then the poo will come out like a whole bin like this.
After they took the feces from luwak, then they need to clean the poo with hot water. Then dry for about 1 week if the weather is good. This is the coffee that hasn't been peeled, and this is the one after peeled. After this process, then we will roast this coffee.
That's around 45 minutes to 1 hour. So that depends on the roasting that you want to make, like a medium roasting,
Alright.
like roast or dark roast. You want to try maybe?
Yeah, I'd like to try.
Yeah, watch your head.
So this is how they cook the coffee. I'm changing profession right now. I'm gonna work here during the pandemic. It smells really good. These are the coffee beans that have been roasted in a medium level. It's so beautiful.
Now we cannot find it. Normally we do just by one hand because you can stop my left hand if we feel like I did my right hand.
Alright.
If you do like both like this, if you're getting tired, you need to take rest.
Wow, and how long do you guys usually doing this?
So that's depends on the people who doing this like if you do like a snail, probably you need like 1 year or more than that.
I'll probably get tired after 10 minutes.
Yeah. In 5 minutes.
Yeah, sure thing.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
This is like very traditional. It's like a freezing. But this is the final process after the coffee is already grinded. It's grinded. It smells really like fruity, And then it smells really fresh. This is the luwak one. And after that, we are filtering the coffee to get the final result. So this is where we're gonna enjoying the coffee. Oh my god, look at that. It's so beautiful.
While I'm tracing the outlines, it feels like the first time. I float on light as the air.
This is the luwak one. They have a special way here to serve the coffee by pouring the water slowly. Wait about 30 seconds for the entire coffee powder to absorb the water, and then brew the coffee by slowly pouring the water in a circular motion. And they repeat the same process 3 till 4 times. Now my coffee is already here, and I'm gonna try it.
Years betray all the way.
It's very fruity, but it tastes really good. It's not as bitter as the normal black coffee.
Stop time. Years betray all.
Tastes really nice, and then they state like the caffeine inside this luwak coffee will not like make you give you like a gastric acid, because I have that and then I cannot drink coffee. So with this I think it will be safe for me to drink it. Wow, so many coffee. This is coffee and tea.
Yeah, so it's same like the picture.
Okay.
This is the lemongrass and Bali coffee.
Alright.
All without sugar, but except the turmeric tea that's already with sugar.
Oh, okay. So they gave us like the samples of the coffee, and I'm gonna try it. I'll start. This one is the Bali coffee. It's very thick. It tastes very earthy, like. It tastes really plain. It just tastes really, yeah, it tastes really earthy, that's all. And then this one is the coconut coffee. And then this one is the, oh, it's a pure cocoa. Everything tastes really plain since there's no sugar, but it tastes really good. This is the vanilla one, and the ginseng. And for you guys that don't like coffee, they also like give you some samples of the tea. And then usually when I come here, these are my favorite. I really like the Rosella one. So this one they have a lemongrass tea, ginger tea, like mangosteen, turmeric, and then they have the Rosella one. It's got to be one of the places you want to visit in Bali. Enjoying fresh local made coffees and teas by the breeze and surrounded by wild forest. My most favorite things about Kumulilir. It's a view that never gets old. The atmosphere is so calming with all the plants around here. Located at 9 km north of Ubud at Pujung village, it is a very quiet place with the average of temperature 24 degrees and 750 meters above the sea level. Just a stunning place. And such a lovely place surrounding with the gorgeous rice fields and green forest view. Now I'm already finished, and then I have a really good experience right here. Don't forget to comment down below if you have been to this place before and how is it. and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye!